Hi everyone, good afternoon. This is Team Igniters. We have come from Bangalore to Arnikal to work in this brick factory. The purpose of coming here is to render our labor and give some rest to the laborers who are working in this brick factory for a day in and day out. So therefore we have come here to give them a break, and whatever work that we have done here and the money that is raised will go to the laborers. So this is one way of providing service to the society. It is not necessary that you need to give money. It is not necessary that you have to give things to help the society. You can give your time, energy, and also bring about some smile on these laborers who work day in and day out.
In order to understand the different reality, a reality of the poor, the migrants and the depressed, we don't have to change our lifestyle. All that we need is to spend little time with them, being with them, listening to their difficulties and struggles of life. The Igniters from Bangalore have come over here to spend a little time with them, listening to them and to understand the struggles of life. Since morning till now, they spent and worked with them. In that way, they're able to understand their regular and daily struggles they go through. Now they're finding some time to conduct some games for these children. In that way, it makes them to come out from the normal daily routine activities. In this way, it makes them to it provides some sort of entertainment. I'm really glad that this group Igniters are able to conduct these games and make them to smile a little better.
So here we are today in Arnikal Brick Factory. We are here with 35 of our Igniters, and we have Irene, the president here, and we are the core committee. We have basically worked the whole day here, and we have lived the life of how the industry works. And it's not something very easy. It's not about 40 rupees what we buy, but there's a lot more effort which has to go through all this thing which we see. And we have been here to observe, see how the life works, and definitely it's making a change in ours. We have taken learnings from here. Hard work is something which is going to work for years too long, and there's no shortcut or no smart work from our end. That's what we promise in
Igniters coming here and getting united with this brick factory employees, and we had a very great fun working with these people, and they definitely helped us and doing all this such activities. We were helped by them, and we also helped for them, and definitely we thank for the Brian and for the Joel for this opportunity, and it was a greater day for us. We working in corporate companies and definitely coming and helping out this was and definitely a greater experience for us. Thank you.
Friends, Igniters has been a great family altogether, and today this young group has gone to Arnikal, a remote village near Bangalore, and they have worked there with the brick workers. That's hard life, they struggle a lot, and this particular youth group called Igniters have reached out them in this difficult moment. I would like to thank all the Igniters, a beautiful Igniter family, for doing this great cause, and at the same time they have lived with them and they have experienced a great experience for their own life. Thank you, Igniters, for this great cause that you are working for, and also for the new ventures that you undertake. Wish you all the best. Have a great future in the days to come.
Really glad for making this day, and we welcome you to join the other outreach programs.
I'm sure you will do much more works like this in the coming days. Thank you so much.